For about a week.
What's the situation you guys confront you guys here in San Nicolas?
Somebody broke into our car and stole some bags. But nice people here from Aruba that were also here just kind of helped us. They helped us call the police. They helped us call the insurance company and just showed us some love.
What all they took from the car?
Just my wallet, and but that really doesn't matter. Everybody's safe. It's just unfortunate, but it's okay. Everybody's safe, and that's all that matters.
Do you have, last but not least, a message for the ones that did this and for the authorities?
I'm just thankful for the authorities. The police came right away. It's courteous, just seemed very helpful. So I'm very happy with the authorities and the people that came. Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah, that's it. That's my message.
And when you guys will be going back, now you guys have a big responsibility. You guys will have to go deal with the insurance.
We'll be leaving tomorrow, but we'll definitely be back. Yeah, we'll be back next year. We love Aruba, and we love the people of Aruba. So we'll definitely be back. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.